Honey? Come on. Yeah! Honey, please get your sewing kit.
My mask keeps slipping. They're gonna see my face.
Just pull your collar up. You'll be fine.
Burglars?
No! Spike, no! They're in costume! In the backyard!
How's I supposed to know everyone was in costume tonight? Hey, Cat, maybe he's got the right idea after all. How's about sharing some of that grub?
Out! And... oh, not again. Honey?
Uh-oh, what happened?
Never should have gotten this worthless thing. I'm just gonna toss it out.
Oh, well. So long, kitty.
Poor old Tom. Let's eat!
Look at all that grub!
Well, I saw a ghost.
I got a genius plan to get us in.
Nice going, guys. You work with Rick, right? Oh, let me help you with that. Please, come on. In.
I love what they've done with the place. Oh, I beg your pardon. You look very familiar. Have we met before?
You know, I think I've seen him somewhere, too. I never forget a face.
Hey, cut it out! It's your rented costume! What the? No, that's it!
You're okay, Uncle Jack?
Want even more Boomerang? Click on one of the videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.